Eat a little stir now, people. Fire blazing. Whoa, pepper there. Look at that. Yeah. Saltfish in a pot of bubble. Remember we tell us saltfish and banana. Yeah. Saltfish are fry up. Yes, my people. Look at that. That alone we have today. Yeah, food kind of iron low. So yummy delicious. Look at that. Can you see the saltfish in it? Yummy, yeah. But ready. Yes. People, you know, say saltfish are burn up. And you see the saltfish in it. What is it, people? I want to taste this. Yummy delicious. Yeah. What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. Like up a video, tell a friend. And let's check on the menu. Yeah, my people. See what I go on the menu here. Yeah. Cook some banana and saltfish. Yeah, that is it, my beautiful people. Yeah, see fire there over there, so yeah, I so light it. I'll show you what I go on. This, I cook some banana, ital banana with saltfish. Yeah, when I see me get some pop chow in my back garden. So I cook saltfish, pop chow, banana. Yeah, so we got some seasoning here, so yeah, garlic, onion. Yeah, my people. So that alone we have today. Yeah, food kind of iron low. Yeah, so we have some saltfish and banana. No joke. Yeah, like up a video, tell a friend. Alright, my people. So I gonna check in my backyard now if I find some pop chow to put with this saltfish. Okay? Remember, like up a video, tell a friend. Okay? Okay guys, yeah, I got a lot of fuel around here. No much still, but can work. Yeah, got some pop chow here, so I have some pop chow and saltfish. So I cut this one right here, so we never cut it, I just root it up. Alright guys, look at that, beautiful. So I going tell you now about my farming channel, you know. But you have to check the description to see it. So yeah, I just work with them too, yeah. Alright, people. Yeah, we got a little few here. So I just work with this. Yeah, man. Beautiful. So catch me, I'll wash and clean and prepare up this now. Yeah guys, look at that man. All the roots still there on it, people. Fresh out of the backyard. Yeah man. See, yeah, so we have some saltfish. That is the ingredients today. Onion there, so we have garlic. Remember I'm telling you, say food kinda low. Yeah. Tell a friend. I mean I get a fire light now. Yeah, check it out. Light up now. Yeah. at that. Yeah. Fire up and ready. First I make it burn a little bit so we can have some more coal. Yeah, because we don't want such a big fire. It's just a small pot today. Tomorrow is gonna be the big day. Okay guys, the pop chow fully washed now. Alright, look at that. Fresh. Pop chow fully cut up now. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Fresh. In the meantime, saltfish are go and boil. Remember we tell us saltfish and banana. Meantime, the saltfish are boil. I get the banana peeling. Yeah. So peel the banana in this plate right here. So the water there already catch some green banana and saltfish with pop chow. Okay guys? Yeah. Like up the video, tell a friend to tell a friend. I'll check on the saltfish. Look at that bubbling. Look at that guys. Saltfish are bubble. Yeah. Saltfish in a pot of bubble. Raw Born Yardman TV. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Saltfish almost cooked guys. Yeah, so when I make that sauce go and bubble for 10 more minutes and then we take it off and put on the banana in the pot. So in the meantime, I get the banana peeling now. Saltfish are bubble. Time to get the banana in the pot now. Check what I got. Whoa. Yeah. Ready. Ready guys, ready. Look at that. Put it off for the pot. Yeah man, saltfish ready guys. Fully boiled now guys. So I get the banana and some boiling water and get it on the fire. Okay. Like up the video. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Okay. Saltfish fully cooked, cut up now and wash and clean. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. See the scraps them here. I gonna give my pup these scraps right now, you know. Pop, pop. Pop, pop. Pop. Eat, pop. Eat. Eat, pop, pop. Pop. Eat, pop, pop. Yeah, my papa eat the saltfish bone, you know. So I get the banana in the pot now. Let's check on the pot. Look at that! Bun me, my people. Alright, get the banana in the pot. Use a dish towel. Alright. Let that go and bubble for about 15 minutes, my people, and then we fry up the saltfish with the pop chow. I take a check on the banana now. Look at that bubbling. Yes, my people. Banana bubble. Yeah, give it a little stir. Yeah. Yes, my people, and well soft, you know. Look at that. Well soft and ready, you know, people. Yeah. I'm ready, guys. Yeah, I get this fire off, get this pot off of the fire now, and get the frying pot on the fire. Yeah, fully cooked, my people. Yeah. Alright. That's it right here, so now, get the frying pot on the fire now. Like up the video, tell a friend, tell a friend. Okay guys. Get the frying pot on the fire now. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Frying pot up on the fire now. frying pot on the fire now. Get some oil in it. Some coconut oil in the pot now. Already hot already, look for it, it a bubble up. I smell this oil and it seems like this oil hot now. So alright, get the saltfish frying up. Look at that, season already chop up onion, garlic. Yeah, I have a pepper around my tree now. I should get a one pepper. Let me go check on the pepper tree first. I'm gonna check on my pepper tree. What? Pepper there. Look at that. Yeah. Dog have water for drink. I'm gonna get a one pepper in my people. Yeah. So this have to cut up in a pot. Yeah man, the pepper tree fruitful my people. Look at that. Beautiful. It just grow by itself, you know, my people. Get this pepper wash off, you know. Yeah. Pepper wash off right there, so. Now I'm on garden. Yeah, pepper clean now, people. This have to chop up in a pot. Alright. Oil hot now. Yeah. Yes, my people. Look at that. It's bubbling. Saltfish are fry up, my people. Some people, you know, say saltfish are burn up. Get some seasoning in it though. Alright, look at that. Eat a little stir now, people. Fire blazing. Yeah, saltfish are fry up. Saltfish are fry up, my people. Subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Pop chow in the pot now. Eat a little stir. Look at that. Now it come now, my people. Oh no, and I don't have any light, guys. Yummy delicious, guys. Guys, I smell the saltfish now. It look like it's ready now. Time to get the chair out. Whoa, look at that. Bubbling. Yeah, guys, look at that. I get the pot off of the fire now and start to shear. I'm so hungry. Yeah, pot ready, guys. Ready. Check what I go on there, pot. Ah, look at that. Look over here, sir. Got some banana over here, sir. Got saltfish over here. Saltfish with pop chow, guys. Yeah, so I get the pot shear out now. Cause I'm so hungry. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Like up the video. Subscribe to the channel. Alright, first I get some saltfish out. Night I coming on my people. Yeah, put the fire around this up. Fire blaze. Banana go and cool out. Get some saltfish in our plate right here. Alright. One and me have to use some people. Alright. But for later. Get some banana over here now. Whoa. Some young banana, my people. Real food them here now, my people. That is it. Look at that. Yeah. One more. See how them stay, my people. Nice. Yummy delicious. Yeah. Even now I'm a bit too greedy. I'm so hungry. Yeah. Get a little taste. Can you smell that? Yummy delicious. Have a little taste. Look at that. People, so I want to taste this. So yummy delicious. One more taste, my people. But ready. Like up the video, my people. Like up the video. That one is so yummy. People almost finished. Me go share another round. The one on a big scoop. And you see the saltfish in it. So people, I go through and finish mash up this food. Subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend.